Best leashes for dogs. If you want best dogs for dogs, so you are in the right place. It can be difficult to see your dog well at night, especially for motorists who can go through you during your evening walk with your dog. The use of a LED dog leash makes you and your dog more visible, which can help reduce injuries. We reviewed dozens of leashes for LED dogs to know those who were the best. We looked at the lengths, colors, and how long the batteries would last. We also compared prices and value. We also reviewed the best LED dog necklaces in a separate position. You will get the best dogs for dogs from this site. Best leashes for dogs you can check out below. Our first product is about this item: 1.52 meters black leash for fun. Secure walks with your dog. Durable polyester webbing ensures long-lasting strength. Reflective stitching improves nighttime visibility for added safety. Our second product is about this item: dog face durable and strong. Dog leash made of supple mountain climbing nylon braided rope. The dog lead is light and sturdy enough for small, medium and large dogs pulling. Dog face comfortable padded handle. Our dog lead features an exquisitely padded handle. This prevents your hands being hurt from sudden strong pulls. Make you feel comfortable and convenient. Dog face safe for night. This twist lead designed with high reflective threads, which help your walking with the dog safety, and visible in early morning and late evening. Our third product is about this item: extremely robust tape leash for large, active dogs. Great freedom of movement for dogs thanks to the 26 feet tape. Convenient handling thanks to single-handed use of the brake button. Permanent stop feature and ergonomic soft grip. Our fourth product is about this item: standard lead leash for dog. Using high-density nylon material, soft but so sturdy, make your dog comfortable but could control. Is the best choice for medium and large dogs. One size fit most. Length 5.2 feet, 160 centimeters. Diameter 1.2 centimeters. Don't need collar or harness. Convenient and easy for take. Suitable for walking, running, training. Adjustable slipknot dog leash. Slipknot leash with slide loop make your dog get a maximum comfort. At the same time, you could tightens when your dog pulls it, loosens when it complies with your correction. It's a good way to correct pets' bad habits. Our fifth product is about this item: bungee jumping design. Unique bungee jumping design helps to absorb shock of quick movement for energetic and active dogs. Reduce the feeling of being pulled with strong pulling force. The length of the lead can be extended from 20 to 35 inch, which give your dogs enough space to run in front of you or beside. Your stitching reflective effect. Finished with luminous reflective stitching. This increases nighttime visibility. Keep your pet dogs safe for night. Dawn walking. No tangle. This 360 degrees swivel double dog lead will automatically adjust to prevent tangle. Dogs can move back and forth easily, allowing your dogs to move freely around you without mess.